Morning. It's been raining all night, which is pretty good. And we're expecting more rain today all day. So they said. Anyway, let's have breakfast. There's plenty of work to do. It's full. I'd have to worry for 2 weeks at least. We're back to Dipolog. That wasn't planned. It's just that Bella's not feeling well. It's got diarrhea, so we need to take her to the doctor. And there's other things we need to do here in town as well. Hmm?
50.
What?
Color. Number 13, 14. See?
Okay, let's see, we've done everything. Apparently today is going to be super hot. So I'm not sure we're going to do any work. Let's see.
Only one, huh? Not yet finished?
You pay the gentleman
Not finished yet?
60.25. Cheap
Check.
here.
She's checking.
Yeah. How much we paid the other day?
I don't know, I can't remember.
Mommy.
Took so long.
You
Let's
pay, baby. Don't
Pay?
forget to pay the gentleman. Okay?
Pay him. She's waiting.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So thank you. Karaba.
Okay, some of the stuff I bought yesterday. I needed those coupling. How much are they? 23 pesos, 50 cents roughly. I bought those for junction. I think I got 2. I bought whatever I think I need, but just one issue I'm going to show you. You can give me your opinion. Okay, now I'm thinking about my vent hole. I can't fit in there. It doesn't fit the concrete piece on the way. So I'm going to cut this in half because it's only air. It's not going to have any pressure this way here. And then I will stick with putty. I will hold it with the wires. And of course, before that, I will drill a hole in the right place. So I need to make sure I position that properly. And then I can run some pipe from here with this reducer. And then I can use an elbow, which I got here somewhere. And the pipe, this pipe, which will go all the way to the end up there and then up along the wall. Let's do that. I'm sure I had a reducer from here to here, but I can't find a thing. So I'm going to leave this for now. What are we? Wednesday. I'll be back in town Friday. So we finish the event on Friday. Let me know what you think. I mean, it's only air going through there, and that should be fine. I got epoxy to hold this with some wire until everything dry, and that's how I'll do my air vent. Okay, and I need the full length of this pipe as well. So we're gonna leave that vent for now, unfortunately. That's okay. So let's go back to the drainage system. You see, this is the convenience to live far from town. As far as all the other drainage, I think I'm gonna go and bring everything to the recycling bin. Anyway, let's start by putting all the coupling on those drainage pipes sticking out. As you remember last video, they don't sticking out enough down, so fit those things. As you can see, I can't put a pipe here, it's too hard, so it needs to go a little bit lower. So anyway, let's start with the shower. The problem is that they didn't fit that pipe straight. You just push it in on an angle. Anyway, more problems. Very hard to fit in. Very, very hard. What do you do? Robert's visit. He's going to China. See some business. Still on business, man. This guy, he's gonna be 150 years old, still working with business. But that's okay, you know, as long as we're happy, that's the main thing. Yep. Anyway, we'll have a bit of a rest and cheers, guys. So finished the well. They went to 66 feet. 66 feet.
And it's 6 feet of water there. But that won't be enough, I think, for the pool. Okay. I don't want to take a chance. I'm going to 100 feet. But with the tube, pressure tube.
She bought some pressure tube. How much?
6,600 each.
And you need 10. 66,000 pesos just for the pipes or tube. It's more like a tube, yeah?
Yeah, they said is good for life.
Yeah.
Wow. But the thing is, I don't think they will have to change that anymore. It's really good. It's the best quality.
And it's probably thick.
And
yeah. And then you're going to buy the pump, screw pump or something. And then you have to
pump.
buy the concrete ring.
All the well, 60 feet, will be concrete.
With concrete ring? Wow. You hear that?
That would be a big
Rich man.
No, that would be a good storage for water.
The only thing I need is another tank, 1,000 liter. I'll be happy. Because even with the drought we had, I still had 25-30% in the tank still. But I worry now because I got running water in the house, and we're gonna have tendency to use more water. That's why I thought another 1,000 liters, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. And run water is it's no sand. No, you're gonna have to get some filtering system as well, so it doesn't go into your house and stuff everything up. Yeah.
But we will use all the rainwater for the plant, the garden. We made a setup for that. So
Anyway,
we won't lose that water.
okay, and then we're waiting still for a ton of water. Okay, shower's done. Now I like to give a bit of a slope until I reach this end. Almost there. Okay, all those drainage are finished. And then it will go up here and join the kitchen thing up there. And I will have a big trash bin there to collect for now. Lunchtime. Yesterday, LV and JM went to pick up some carabao from the sari store next door. He killed one and then he sold the meat. Beautiful. And this is absolutely delicious. Delicious. I can feel all the spice and everything. And it's not as hard as I thought. It's pretty good. Let's enjoy. This is delicious. Those herbs you put in, beautiful. Beautiful, well done.
It's stew.
Huh?
My version of Carabao stew.
Excellent. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye.